If you want to split your viewport into a 4 parts like Max and Maya, you can go to the view option area, and when you turn on toggle quad view, you will split the viewport into 4 parts. But in this case, we cannot select any of this divider and rescale it. So if you want to create your own and rescale this viewport, I'll show you how to do it. Let's turn this off and just right click on the divider and tell split vertical or split even horizontal. So this way you can split the viewport and you can rescale and you can arrange your own work area. Let's say I want to focus on this as a top view and I want to maximize this viewport size. So this can be easily done by using the shortcut control plus space bar, so that wherever your cursor is over, that particular viewport will maximize. This also applies on the outliner or any other panel. Like let's say on the outliner, control space bar, it will maximize. Again, to bring it back, again click on control space bar. If you have done more splitting the viewports and if you want to bring it back to the default one, you can right click and you can start joining the viewports. Or if you are totally messed up and if you want to just get rid and bring it back to the default in one click, one shot, then what you can do is you can go to the file menu and you can see there is a defaults and you can click on the load factory setting. When you click on this and tell load, it will just bring everything back to the default of Blender user interface.